Hello, everybody. My son went to Mission Trails. Now, Mission Trails, it has two different peaks. One is the main park, which is on the Mission Gorge Road. But then there's another one which is slightly on Jackson Drive, which is slightly a mile or so away from it. This one has a very, very high peak, high inclination point with a steep climb. In this place, people really easily get dehydrated or they get injured because it's a rough terrain. The climb is steep and there are a lot of rocks and obstacles. So this person got injured and he had to be airlifted by a helicopter. So I'm going to show you the video that he was airlifted. This is for you to be careful. If you go to Mission Trails, you have to have enough water and you have to have the correct hiking shoes or correct outfit and everything, a hat, a sunblock or something, because it's really tough. It's not an easy climb. So check it out and see for yourself.
Yeah, bro, it's about to hit. Damn. Shut the fuck up. Gee.
Wow.
Gee. Somebody ate it. Alright, man, that's my ride. See you guys later. He's a good pilot. It's my chance to captain. Oh shit, my pants. Oh shit, my drop him. Bro, oh shit, my pants. You're tripping.
That was a really dangerous, transportation, being hanged from a rope and being, transported by airlifted by a helicopter. As a matter of fact, there wasn't even paramedic helicopter. It seemed like fire department helicopter, But still, they did an excellent job landing in such a small stretch of land with a slope, and not to mention navigating with high winds and all that. So thanks for watching.